Here's how to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. Now, if you're on Facebook on your iPhone, Android, or computer, we can always disable it on here, but you also want to turn it off on Messenger because they are separate but owned by Facebook. So to do that on your Facebook app, we're going to get to your settings. So tap on the profile at the bottom right, or it could be at the top right or left on your device. Now from here, let's get to your settings by opening up Settings and Privacy and tapping on Settings. Now within here, we can globally control whether everybody can see if you're online on Facebook at the same time. However, again, keep in mind, this is different from Facebook Messenger. I'll walk you through those steps as well. So on here, we're going to scroll down to active status and then just toggle this off and turn it off. Now we're good to go on Facebook, but let's open up Messenger instead. So from here, you'll be able to see the menu button at the bottom right on my iPhone. Again, it could be at the top right or left on your device. Now it's fairly easy to turn off the active status on Facebook Messenger as well. All we need to do is get to your settings. So just tap on your settings, and then from here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You'll be able to see at the very top though, active status. You can just toggle this off and it says show when you're active. Just turn it off. And now across all of Meta, they won't be able to see if you're online right now.